Welcome back to the QSUpali YouTube channel. I hope you have learned something from my previous videos. I wish to continue with this video to discuss the pricing bill of quantities part 2. 1. Carpentry and Joinery. 2. Metalwork. 3. Finishes. 4. Painting. 5. Services. 6. External work. 7. Day works. 8. Soil investigation. 1. Carpentry and Joinery. This typically involves shaping, cutting and installing as per the approved shop drawings prepared by the required design, plan and specification. Carpentry and joinery included doors, partitions, staircases, mouldings, cupboards, worktops, skirtings, floors and roof. All work needs to be carried out safely with appropriate materials and tools and to the specifications. The work will generally be interlaced with the other construction trades such as concrete work, block work, finishes and services. The most required item in the joinery is the doors. There are fire-rated and non-fire-rated doors. Fire-rated doors are made of fire-retardant material that stop or slows fire from spreading of flames. Common material includes wood, steel, gypsum board, fiberglass, fire-rated glass or a combination of them. They are certified under endurance certificate with the category of 20, 30, 45, 60, 90, 120 and 180 minutes. The specimen of the door is exposed to the extreme heat of 1050 degrees Celsius up to a maximum of 180 minutes rating. Many fire-rated doors are made from wood and MDF panels with a fire rating of up to 90 minutes. These panels are typically filled with more fire-resistant filler material like gypsum boards and are designed to match endurance rating up to 90 minutes. Fire-retardant paint or intumescent coatings ensures fire resistance of timber surfaces. Colored or clear intumescent paint provide 90 minutes to 60 minutes of protection. Fire-rated steel doors are also made with hollow steel sheet filled with gypsum and designed to match an endurance rate of up to 180 degrees Celsius. The most used material for fire-rated door frames up to 60 minutes is made from mahogany, oak, teak or ashwood and painted with intumescent coating. Fire-rated doors must be hung with three protected hinges to prevent warping. The integrity of the door shall not last long and create gaps if the hinges does not fit firmly with the frame. Non-fire-rated doors are made from hardwood, mahogany, oak, teakwood, ashwood, meranti wood and plywood. Door frames are also from the same hardwood of approved quality. Subframes are made from softwood pine, ready to include supply and fixed subframes, door frames, door sash, architraves, ironmongery and painting. Example of non-fire-rated door. The cost of fabrication and installation of non-fire-rated internal single flush door, 45 mm thick door sash and frames, 1 meter by 2.2 meter high overall, side hung with 100 mm into 75 mm door jambs and 30 mm by 20 mm thick door architraves, including ironmongery and painting. A. Cost of timber for door sash and frames oak wood equals 0.30 meter cube. B. Cost of subframes 100 mm by 20 mm by 5.4 meter softwood pine wood equals 0.011 meter cube. C. Cost of Ironmongery: 3 number butt hinges, 1 number lock and handle, 1 number door stop, 1 number door closer, optional. D. Cost of fabrication: 2 number carpenters, 2.5 days. Cost of erection: 2 number carpenters, 1 day. A. Cost of tools equals 10% of material cost. G. Cost of painting: 1 undercoat and 2 top coats of varnish or oil paint. Coverage: 3 coats of 6 meters square per 1 liter plus 0.5 days painter equals 2.5 into 2.2 meter into 1 meter into cost of 1 liter of paint plus cost of 0.05 days labor for painting. Example of a fire-rated door. The cost of fabrication and installation of 60 minutes fire-rated internal single brush door, 45 mm thick door sash and fire-rated hollow section door frames, 1 meter by 2.2 meter high overall, side hung with 100 mm by 75 mm door jambs and 30 mm by 20 mm thick door architraves, including ironmongery and painting. A. Cost of timber for door sash or wood equals 0.26 meter cube. B. Cost of subframes: 100 mm by 20 mm by 5.5 meter softwood pine wood equals 0.011 meter cube. C. Cost of metal door frames: 100 mm by 75 mm equals 5.4 meter. D. Cost of fire-rated ironmongery: 3 number butt hinges, 1 number lock and handle, 1 number door stop and 1 number door closer, optional. E. Cost of fabrication: 2 number carpenters, 2 days. F. Cost of erection: 2 number carpenters, 1 day. G. Cost of tools equals 10% of material cost. H. Cost of painting: 2 coats of intumescent paint. Coverage: 1 coat of 8 meters square per 1 liter plus 0.5 days painter equal 2.5 into 2.2 meter into 1 meter divided by 8 meter squares into 2 into cost of 1 liter of paint plus cost of 0.5 days labor for painting. Thank you. Please wait for my next video for the continuation of the discussion on the pricing bill of quantities part 2. I would be pleased if you are motivated by the desire to explore the value of the field's necessity that would contribute to the construction industry. Please refer to the description box below for the written description of this video clip. With a positive attitude and a growth mindset, keep moving forward and explore the field. I will see you in the next video. If you are inspired and learned something from this video, please click like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell button to receive my upcoming videos and share with others too.